Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now this video, it's a promotion video. I've got a couple of these in Dinky Toys buses. This looks to be the 29C version, the earlier one maybe. And there's a 290 which was the Dunlop Tyres one. And what I've done some decals on my new printer and I'm really pleased with these. If you can see that there, the detail, you can read those letters, those words, and that blue goes just on the side there at the front, one each side. We've got the wood green Finsbury pack to go in the middle. At the rear, we've got a 24 or a 221 or another 609 somewhere on there. I think there it'll be up at the top. There it is, 609. They go in there. We've got a bit to go in the back, another wood green Finsbury pack there, and down the side we've got a choice of any of these, some of which you may think, well, that's not original Dinky, and no, they're not. These Go Continental Litwoods I made myself from scratch. That's Matchbox, both of those I think, and Exide batteries was Dinky. I've got Dunlop. I'm off to cut those in half, and these are off to be two sets that are going for sale on eBay. What I'm going to do is cut one set out now and show you what good a fit they are, etc. Okay, what I've had to do is go and get the original bus I did the sizing of these decals on, because that little number there goes in there. This is bigger than that one, so I'll have to do another set for the 29C. Anyway, let's you can see the original decal here, which is one, but let's just try one of these for size, because I'm going to restore these buses anyway. Right, here we go. We'll try this one for size. Quite a big decal. What it needs to do is a line there and a line there, and that needs to comfortably fit in that gap. I'm quite pleased with that. All the decals are roughly about the same, so I know they'll all fit. I've got the 609 number to have a go at as well. It's just come loose, look. And put it there. Doesn't look bad. That's okay. Now what I can do is try the same on this 29C bus. Check they still work on there, and see how that goes. I know that number, that's too big to go on there. I'll just show you that. So I'll have to do a separate set for each bus. I mean, it's marginal. It's marginal. Just needs a bit of trimming. I'd rather make them exact for the model myself. Right. I think these will fit the 29C for sure. And they do. That's gone on there quite nicely, look. While I was waiting for that, because that's where I left you, put the, you can see it there, think so now, Camden Town, really good fit, and the wood green Finsbury Park. Now, I don't know London that well, not well enough to know that Camden Town is on the route for wood green and Finsbury Park. Now, I've got a rear one as well, so we'll put that in. Now before I got my new printer, I wouldn't have been able to do these in this detail, because that is entirely legible there. We've got this rear to do. Right, can have a go with the rear now. Should be pretty good. Yep, that's a good fit. Now, I've had to cut the 609 down that I'm going to put into that corner, unfortunately. So that needs a bit more work on it. Let's see if it's ready. It's the right width, but it's a bit tall. So I normally do this on like normal white paper, but I'll have to cut that down again. So I know the 609 on the side and the one at the back needs some work. Now, what I can do is just check these front logos out. And there's that one. Read the auto car every week. One of these on the front. Now, what I did do, I filed the casting lines down there, because that would have stopped this decal adhering to the model. There we are, that looks fine. Put the one on the other side. Go with the other side. And you've just got to get them straight. Do that by eye. Comfortably fit in there, so I'm quite pleased with that. Now what I'm going to do is try the Read the Meccano monthly magazine on the 29C. See how that goes. They're going to be fine on there, so we know it's just that side number at the moment. It's a bit iffy on the fit. Right, I've gone ahead and finished the models off now, and we know the 29C is different to the 209. This is the later model. So I've got to make a custom set for there. I thought they both fit the same, but they won't. So you can see the Read the Meccano magazine's fine. The main headline route is there. Moorgate's fine. Side decals are all okay. That side number doesn't work. The rear's okay. That doesn't work. Now on this one, this is the one I use for sizing. You can see all the signs are okay. I've got a number plate at the front now. I've got a number plate at the back. I've got the routing at the back. The number needs changing. I wasn't going to put a decal into there, but I have done, and it needs to be a shade smaller, but it is legible, so I'm going to do it. I hadn't checked that. So that's what you get. Now, I've also cut out, just in black, so they can go on any model, London Transport. Now I could make those a bit bigger. These I did for the little Lesney buses, which were a lot smaller. So I can do a set for these now. They've got to be in black. They can't be the original colours, because you wouldn't be able to cut them out, or I'd have to match, in this case, the green to get the original colour, and that's just impossible to do when you're doing them for eBay. If somebody wanted to do your custom ones, you could do that. So what do you get on eBay? Well, you get all of these. You get some of those, probably half of those. and that lot cost you about 13 quid delivered on eBay, and I guarantee them to fit. I'm particularly conscious about quality control, and I'm not happy either about these numbers. They're not as sharp as the letters. Look at that one, 221 compared to that. So they need doing again as well. So these will shortly be on eBay. I'll put details at the end of the video, and I hope if you're doing a bus, you'll consider mine. I am the only one, as far as I know, that does multiple duplicates. So if anything goes wrong, you haven't wasted your money and have to buy another set. Let's face it, you do get the odd printing error. Now, on this one that I did apply, where is it? Slight mark, you can hardly see it, just there. Slight black mark, so I wouldn't sell that. What do I do with the rejects, all the ones I don't use? Well, if you do buy off me on eBay, I always throw in maybe a dozen or more extra decals, not necessarily for buses in this case, it could be any models I've done or any decals. Well, we're back with our bus, and we're just going to go over what decals I do have available on eBay. Now that bus number is Dinky 290, not this one. They don't fit this one, 29. So I've reprinted them. Don't know if you can see, I've got all them sharp now, worked sharp before. So there's two sets there, just draw a line along there. There's spares down there for me. And I've done some London Transport decals to go on the side, and indeed I've put one on, look there. Now I've made them two different sizes. That was a bit too small, so they're available on eBay, and I'll show a screenshot of where they are at the end. So it'll probably say Dinky Toys Decals Bus 290 if you do the search. So that's those done. Now I've also got some others out there for the transit van, and I've sold quite a few of these. I've got I've got the Kenwood, Hertz Truck, Motorway Services, the ambulance, and these are really sharp decals. Now I've got a new printer, and I've got the police slow. They're all for white painted models, really. These any colour model because they're on white paper. So all the black ones are just any colour model. But I do put what colour you need. So it's the ambulance and the police car that need to be white. The rest can be used on any colour. And they've sold quite well, the transit ones, to be perfectly honest. One of my best sellers. And another bestseller has been for the Dinky Toys Capri, which you've seen me do. So there they are. And they're really sharp now. And they are to go on a white vehicle only. Special request, I could do them for any colour vehicle. If you shoot with any colour vehicle, I'll be cutting out this little police logo. I've also done a set for this big dinky tanker in the background here. I think I'll probably put those up about 6. As you can see, there's problems printing these big blocks of colour, and I've got to go back and clean the print heads, I think. And also the Rover 75, which you've seen me do, and I've also sold these in a kit. So I think I might put each of those on separately as well. Details at the end. Then what I've also done is the police Horsebox. And these are for any colour vehicle. but I did them for a white horse box, and it's so that you can customise that horse box with police horses, keep clear, etc. So I did try and sell that as a kit, but nobody was interested, to be honest. So I might just put the decals up by themselves. Not done that myself yet. And then I have got the bus that you see there. So there are two different sets there, bottom set, top set, and also what you get is to go on any colour because they're black and white. The sort of bus look, Hull Transport, Edinburgh, Devon, Kent, Yorkshire, London Transport at the end there, look. So you get a few of those as well. Ribble, Hampshire, Southern, Bristol, Leeds, Leicester. So I've tried to spread it about somewhere where you might live. So what I'll do is I'll put all the details by screenshots of what's available on eBay and how much it is. A sheet like this is normally £10. By the time you've paid the postage, it's a bit of a killer. I'm giving eBay 80p. You're looking about £13. But with most of my decals, as you can see, you get spares and they are good quality. Thank you for watching, and all the details are now at the end.